Hey guys, Ryan from the future here. I just got done reviewing the footage here and I guess I don't know how to count in my head very well. We overshot the timing on this test for this motor and abused it really bad. So stay tuned for the conclusion because it's a good one. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to an immersive farmlands bench test. Today I am testing the FPV DAD motor and the Speedybee 45 amp ESC right here. So it's kind of going to be two tests in one here. So very interesting, very interesting. I'm going to do max throttle tests. And we're going to sustain that for 15 seconds and see if the motor flies off the rig and blows or we get a smoke show or what. And we're going to see if the Speedybee 45 amp stack can actually support the FPV DAD 2120K V6S motor. Power courtesy of Boss Lipo. Be a boss. Send it like a boss with Boss Lipo. Oh, I had to do that. I had to do that, guys. Okay, I'm plugging in the rig here. And we're running two batteries in parallel here just so we can avoid battery sag, so we can get a true 15-second run out of this here. And I'm kind of just going to count in my head and hope that that I can get the 15 seconds. But I do got the counter on the little GoPro down here, so I should be able to make this happen. And get into the Speedybee app, because we're going to do all the controls here through the Speedybee app here. And search it. Oh, there we go. And we're popping right in here. Perfect. Let's go down to our motors tab, click that. And we'll just tell them that we don't have any propellers on, even though we do. This is for the purpose of testing. Don't try this at home, guys. Everything I have here is modified specifically to do these tests, even if you think you have some of the same equipment. Mine here has been modified to handle the amperage that we're going to be pumping out here. So don't do these kinds of things at home. All right. First we need to find out, I think he's on motor number 1 here, so let's just give this a quick little test and find out where we're at here. There we go. He's firing up there, so he is on motor 1. All right, let's get this test started. That's 25%. Oh, she's a little warm. Everything is very warm. But she did it. She made it. Wow. And she's not smoking. She could be. Very close. But nobody sustains throttle like that on these motors. I give that a total thumbs up. Wow. I can actually touch it, but it's hot. She's hot. Woo! Good job, FPV DAD Motors. That is something else. And so there you go. You saw what you'd be pulling for just about maximum throttle. I didn't put it right up to 2,000 on there because even on my own controller, I have that backed off just to save my own electronics a little bit of grief. But there you go. You saw what 98% full throttle sustained on an FPV DAD motor right before your eyes. If you're not buying them, maybe you should be. So yeah, I guess to conclude all of that, that's a lot longer than 15 seconds. This motor was only supposed to sustain full anything for 15 seconds from a cool down point, and that thing was running for 58 seconds straight, and then punching it to full throttle at the end to just about kill it. But it didn't die. It's just fine, and it will go again, even though we did see a little bit of smoke there that I didn't initially see when I was making the video. I think we can conclude that the FPV DAD motor is an overachiever big time, and you should definitely give it a shot. Give him a shot, man. I'm so impressed with the flight, and now I am very impressed with the bench, and I can't wait to put the 6S tests up in the air. So thanks for coming by, watching the test. Peace.